Today we are visiting Lemurs Park, one of the most popular nature attractions near Antananarivo in Madagascar. This beautiful reserve is located about 20 kilometers outside the city and is surrounded by green hills, trees, and peaceful walking trails. It was created to protect lemurs and Madagascar's unique plants, and it feels like a small forest paradise where wildlife can live safely close to the capital.
Okay, but before we go to see lemurs, these are rules we should follow, because our goal here is to protect lemurs like in the wild, so we cannot touch them, we cannot feed, and we cannot smoke during the tour. You can take pictures of our babies. They are like this. Babies age for baobab is 25-30 years. To drink from the tree. That is why it's a traveler's tree, because for travelers.
Traveler's palm.
Traveler's palm.
You do it once more, please. You do it once more. Fine. Thank you.
The main stars here are, of course, the lemurs. The park is home to several species, including ring-tailed lemurs, shifak, and black and white ruffed lemurs. Many of them were rescued from illegal captivity and are now cared for in a natural environment. As you walk through the park with a guide, you can often see the lemurs jumping between trees, resting in the shade, or even coming quite close to visitors, which makes this place perfect for photos and videos. Apart from lemurs, you may also spot colorful chameleons, tortoises, and interesting tropical plants that grow only in Madagascar. The guides explain how the park helps with conservation, reforestation, and teaching local children about protecting nature. The best time to visit is in the morning when the animals are most active, and the weather is pleasant for walking. If you're short on time in Antananarivo but still want to experience Madagascar's famous wildlife, Lemurs Park is an excellent choice. It's calm, educational, and full of unforgettable moments with these playful animals. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Goodbye.